Hello guys, in this tutorial I am going to show you how you can create a game using ChatGPT. Yes, you heard right, we can create a game using ChatGPT. So you don't need to code anything. We can use ChatGPT to generate our game code and we are going to test that code, then we can create an Android app of that game. Okay, so first of all, open Chrome browser and type Mahesh Technicals. You will need some tools to create an Android game. So for that you need to go here. Okay, so you will find maheshtechnicals.com website. Just open. Here you will get this article which is how to create an Android game in minutes using ChatGPT. So open this article. If you not found this article, just click on search icon and type ChatGPT. You will get this article. Okay, so in previous video I already told you how you can create an Android app. We build a to-do list app using ChatGPT without any code. So if you not watch that video, go and watch it. Now just open this article which is game. Okay, create game web article. So here you will find all the requirements which needed to create a game. So first of all, click on useful links section. Here you will get all the links, all the URLs which is required. First of all, open ChatGPT in new tab and download SPCK editor application on your phone. So this is the application. Let me show you. This is the SPCK editor. You can see this is installed by default in my phone. I already installed it, so you can install that as well, because we need that application to test our code. Okay, so let me create our first game. I'm going to create tic-tac-toe game, so you will need a prompt. For that, you can see I already written a prompt for you. You need to replace game name and ChatGPT will give you proper code for that. Okay, you can use this prompt for any game. Just replace your game name and add some features according to your game. Okay, then it will generate code for you. Let me paste the prompt here. You can read. I written this prompt for tic-tac-toe game, which is simple game, but it is tough if you are coding that game. But right now we are not coding, so you can see when I press enter, it will start generating a code. So let me first open SPCK editor. Now go here and click on create project. Select HTML, then remove that and add project name, which is tic-tac-toe game. Now you can see here we have three files: index.html, main.js and style.css. Let me replace the names. So in main.js type script.js. Like this. You can rename it style.css. Just add one more s, which is styles.css. That's it. You need to rename the files according ChatGPT generation. Okay, so remove all the codes which is already present in that files. So now we are going to copy and paste our code and test. Let's test it. So just copy HTML code, go to index.html, just paste here, format. Okay, now you can see style.css is present here, but our file name is styles.css and script.js is okay. So rename here because our file name is styles.css. That's why we change. Now go to styles.css and paste our code, which is style.css, and you can see our UI is ready, but it is not working right now because we are not pasted our JavaScript code. Just copy the JavaScript code, go to script.js and paste here. Let's format and play, and you can see now our game is working perfectly fine. Let me show you. You can see our game is working. You can see all things are working, but I want beautiful scoreboard on the top and I want game name on the top as well. So I'm going to write a prompt here to add title of my game and redesign my scoreboard. Okay, So you can write whatever you want in your game, so it will generate for you. So you can see I'm going to write this. You can see now it is generating a modified version of HTML and modified version of CSS. Okay, so we need to replace HTML and CSS only. So just copy HTML, go to index.html, remove all that and paste here and check styles.css. Okay, so we need to replace styles. Okay, now go to styles.css. Now copy here and remove all the style.css code from here and paste new one. Now play. Now you can see our title is present and scoreboard is looking great. You can see our game is working perfectly fine. So with this way you can easily create a game using ChatGPT. But right now this game is offline, okay, because it is only present in your phone. But we need to use this game online. So we are now going to host that game online, so you can share URL to your friends so they can also play this game. So we are now going to host that game. So first of all we need these files, which is index.html, style.css and script.js. So for that just click on that folder name and click on export, then click on download. So our project is exported. You can see, just open this file and you will see these 3 files. Just copy these files and create a new folder which is game, then paste that 3 files in that folder. Okay, so our files are organized now. Now let me host that files on GitHub. So to host our files we are going to use github.com. So open that website and create your account. If you don't have, I already created. So now click on plus icon. Now click on new repository. Now put your repository name like tic-tac-toe game according to your game. Now click add readme file, then click on commit create repository. You can see our blank repository is created. So let's upload our files. So click on plus icon, click on upload files, click on choose from, then go to your internal storage. Let me show you. Go to internal storage, go to download folder, go to game folder and select all 3 files and click on select. Now it is uploading. Okay, now click on commit changes. That's it, our file is now online present. So now we are going to use these files to create a website. How? Just click on settings icon. Now click on pages. Now in branch section select main, then click on save. Now click on your repository icon. Now refresh the page until you get deployment section on the right side. Okay, so let me, or you can wait 2 to 5 minutes, it will automatically present. Okay, you can see deployment presents now. Okay, now click on deployments. Now here you will find this URL. This is your online game URL. Just copy this URL and open this URL and you can see your game is now hosted online. So you can use this URL and share this URL to your friends, so your friends also play this game using browser. But right now I want to build an Android app. Okay, so you can play in your phone. So for that just click on this website, which is Applex official website. Create your account here as well. I already created. Now here you can see create new app option. If you not found, then click on your logo and click on my apps. Now click on create new app. Now paste your URL which is you got from GitHub pages. Okay, you can see this is our URL. I pasted over there. Okay, now put your app name, which you want to use, and in platform you can select any Android or iOS. I'm going to select Android. Now here select free plan. Now go to your three dot icons, then click on app info. Now here we need an app icon. So in previous video we used Canva, but right now I'm going to show you how you can find icons pre-built. So click go to flat icons, then search here tic-tac-toe. Then let me check icon is present or not. You can see there are lots of icons. So I like this one, I like this one. So now click on that arrow and click on 512 pixel, then click on free download. Now you can see our icon is downloaded successfully. You can see that. Now go to your Applex and choose your icon, set according to you. Now change package name, whatever you want you can change it, but make sure you write properly in small letters. Now click on save changes. Now click on three dot. Now go to splash screen. Here also you need an logo, so let's set our logo properly. Then change some background colors if you want, or you can stay like this but stay as default, but I am going to change some background colors according to my game. We are going to change status bar colors as well. So you can see in bottom you can see the preview. Now click on save changes. That's it. You can more further customization, but right now we are going to build. So click on build and download. Now click on build app. Now it will take 5 to 10 minutes to build your app. So wait until you get an email, or you can check after 5 minutes or 10 minutes. Okay. So after 5 minutes you will see here, you can see that I'm going to refresh, and after 5 minutes you will get this. So just download an app which is APK. So just download it, then copy your app name, okay, you can see the wrong name here. Just remove that wrong name and paste our game name and press OK. Make sure .apk is present, otherwise it will not install on your phone. So let me install, and you can see it is started to install and it is successfully installed on our phone. You can see this application is installed. So just open this application. You can see our app is ready, and you can share this application with your friends, and all the process which code running, it's perfectly fine. And you can see our game is working great. You can see that all score is also updated properly. You don't have any issues. You can see that. Okay, so our game is working perfectly, our app is working perfectly. So you can share this application with your friends and family and tell him you created an Android game without a coding. Okay, so with this way you can easily create an Android game using ChatGPT. So this article will help you to build an Android game or app. So if you like this article or like this video, so please like, share and subscribe my channel. We will meet in the next video, and share your application to your family and tell him you built.